And then y'all know why I don't like using other people's bathroom, because they have cheap tissue. And I hate the cheap tissue. You know, I hate cheap tissue. I mean, I hate it. Then you know the tissue, cheap when you wipe your butt and you still feel tissue in your butt. So you know it's cheap tissue. But yeah, my stomach is like killing me. And oh my God, I hate it. There's no cleaning stuff here for me to clean. To clean the bathroom, I just have to spray. Because, oh my God, it's so awful. I had to really go to the bathroom. I mean, they got the little plungers, but no bleach spray. Oh my God. Listen, I need more than this type of spray. I need like some bleach because I smell so awful. I need to clean myself. My whole system smell like somebody died. So yeah, I hate when I have to use the bathroom out in public. I'm gonna have to get Dr. Williams some bleach spray to keep in his bathroom, because it's, you know, when people take a poop, they like to clean up behind themselves. I want to know people like, if I use the bathroom, I want to be able to clean the bathroom. But yeah, this is my afternoon poop. Leaving out of the doctor's office. Everywhere I go, I seem to use the bathroom sometimes. But okay. It's your girl Queen checking out. So I'm taking a poop. I'm done. I wish Dr. Williams had like some bleach spray or some stuff like that you can clean the bathroom behind yourself. But unfortunately, he don't. All right, my love. Food smell good. I'll see you later.
Yes, ma'am. Have a good night. Whole day.
Too bad y'all ain't got no like bleach spray or nothing.
I don't use that bathroom. I ain't got none of my concern.
Well, I used it. I gave it the whoop de doo.
You're fine.
You know how they say on Friday, hey, don't go in there for 5 or 10 minutes. Don't go in there for 20 or 30 minutes.
They got a whole 2 hours to bear it.
Oh, well, it's going to bear out. Because I bear it out.
Y'all have a good day.
See ya. Yeah.